Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to create a discount or discount code for your customers at Shopify. So what we have to do is log in into our admin account and focus on the left side of our monitor. Then we want to click on discounts. The first thing is that we need to click on create discounts. You can either click on top right corner or click on create discounts here, since I don't have any created right now. Then there are four options: amount of product, amount of order, buy X get Y, and free shipping. So since I have only one product, let's go and click off product. So discount code that you can use or automatic discount. Let's go with discount code. Forget that code, you just click to generate, and this code you can send through your Facebook or Instagram. I already showed you how to integrate them, so it's the fastest way to your customers. Then we want to get a fixed amount in euros or percentage. Let's go with 15%. Applies to specific product or specific collection. We can browse from speed walking sandals, and we are going to add this to our discount code. We have 9 variants because of the sizes. Minimum purchase requirements. Let's go with no minimum purchase. Customer eligibility, all customers, specific or segments or specific customers. Maximum discount uses, combinations, and active dates. And you can also set the end date, for example, for tomorrow, and you can save the discount. So right now you can get a shareable link, which is this one. When you click there, all of a sudden you see there are speed walking sandals where we can use this special link or special code to get 15% off. That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.